हाय गाइस, माय चैनल लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। एक्सप्लेन करेंगे इमेज लिंक टेबल HTML थर्ड का सारांश। सीबीएसई क्लास 10 का है। स्टेटमेंट है इमेज कैन बी इंसर्ट इन टेक्स्ट यूजिंग image tag. Its source is specified which attributed alternate with alt attributed element with the elegant attribute and size with height and width attribute में कर रहे हैं इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर कैन डिस्प्ले alt text of an image as tool tip करा है in browser other than internet explorer title attribute of image can use a defined tool tip text करें document can be link hyperlink can be created using a tag linking to another document external linking करें hyperlink can also create for link within same document linking with the same document called internal linking. HTML table model allow to arrange data into row and column of same करें HTML table present and manipulate with help of this tag table boy thread टीफू TRTD TH करें the table tag being with power of building a table. It may be attribute like background and cell pending height width cell spacing width elegant frame and rules. Tag TD tag is workhouse of table. It denoted table data. It may be used attribute align ground and row collapsion and origin. TH tag is used to specify table header. It accepted same attribute as that of TD tag. Tag is used to specify table row. It also uses similar attribute as that TD except for collapsion. Thread tag is used to define a set of header row and body